Let's recap what all we learned in this basic course of Agile. We learned what is Agile, why it is important, and why Agile, how organizations are using it. We also learned about the mindset that is required for Agile to be successful, the values and principles of Agile according to agilemanifesto.org website, and list of Agile models we learned, basic models like Scrum, Kanban. We discussed a little about in each of these models. Relative sizing concept we learned, and also the full typical life cycle of Agile software development using primarily Scrum.